in this tutorial we would talk about the export settings. I will show you how to export file as DXF. It may be really useful format for some of you. Okay, so I will show you one really simple method that I use always. First you need to do is go to File on the left upper corner. Normally people who want to export the file, they go to Export, but unluckily there we will not find our option that we are interested in. So we will go to Save As because it will let us to export our file. And now you need to choose the correct directory where you want to save your file. I recommend you to type your own file name. So for example, I will type here wallet2. And now from Save As type, you need to choose Desktop Cutting Plotter, AutoCAD DXF R14. So it is our DXF format. So I choose this one option and then we need to click Save button. So I click on it. You will see these options. I recommend you to have the default settings here, or you can change them to the same that I have here. Okay, so now I click OK. Like you see, our file has been successfully exported as a DXF. You can read here the format of our file, so everything should work correctly. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to save your file as DXF in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.